Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you missing calls because your iPhone ringer isn't working? Let's fix that right away. In this tutorial, I will guide you through troubleshooting steps to get your iPhone ringer working again. Step 1 is to check the moon switch. Start with the moon switch on the side of your iPhone. Ensure the switch isn't set to silent mode. Flip it back to the ring mode if needed. Step 2 is to adjust the volume. Make sure the ringer volume is turned on. Use the volume up button on the side of your iPhone. Or you go to the setting, then sound and haptics, and slide the ringer and alert volume to your desired level. Step 3 is to check do not disturb or focus mode. This mode can silence your ringer. Swipe down to open the control center and make sure do not disturb or any active focus mode is turned off. Alternatively, go to the setting, then go to focus to check configurations. Step 4 is to restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone can resolve minor glitches. Turn it off and back on, then test the ringer. Step 5 is to check for Bluetooth connections. Your phone might be connected to a Bluetooth device. Go to the setting app, then you go to Bluetooth and disconnect any connected device to ensure sounds play to the iPhone speaker. Step 6 is to update your iOS. Software bugs can sometimes cause sound issue. Go to the setting, then go to General and go to Software Updates and install the latest update. Step 7 is to reset all settings. Resetting system setting can resolve deeper issues. Go to Setting, then General, then Reset and click on Reset all settings. This will delete your data but will reset system configuration like sound and alerts. Step 8 is to visit Apple support. If your ringer still isn't working, it might be an hardware issue. Contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for repair options. And that's how you fix your iPhone ringer. If this helped you, like and subscribe for more iPhone troubleshooting tips, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.